Hello everyone, it is Pat, and I'm doing one of my quick little readings here due to time constraints, just to give us a little bit of overseeing of the energy. It's Wednesday today, June 19th, going into the end of the week and the weekend. So I do want to make you aware that we are, now that we're heading into the end of June, there's a Mercury retrograde period coming up in July, astrologically. It starts at the beginning of July. But before we get to that, there's this pre-shadow period where we can start to feel the slowdown and energies can start to feel a little funky to us for those of us who are energy sensitive. And we just went through a full moon. And so, I know for July there's going to be quite a bit going on. But for today, let's call on the archangels, see who's overseeing us. Archangels, I call upon you. Who's overseeing us for the end of our week? Who do we need to call upon? Who has a message for us? Okay. Oh, all right. So we have Archangel Ariel with Spread Your Wings, saying, don't hold back right now. The timing is perfect and you're ready to soar. Okay. So it's a clear indication from Ariel that, like she says, don't hold back. It's not time to press the pause button here. If you have an opportunity in front of you, that you're hesitating about, it might be just time to just go for it. All right. And Ariel's an angel of courage. So just like Archangel Michael, she can help you just take that step forward. All right. And, maybe you're at a point where you've done a lot of training and, you're just about to get out there. Yeah, it's time to spread your wings. And, this can include like kids going off to summer camp. Maybe they haven't been off to summer camp before, or as you're getting ready to gear up to go to, college in the fall or something like that. It's letting you know that it's that time to spread your wings with Archangel Ariel. And I love the message on this card because it speaks to sometimes when we hesitate and hold back out of fear, okay? Yeah, although you might feel intimidated by the prospect of change and by the thought of moving past your comfort zone, you're ready to fly high. So she's urging you to welcome new opportunities that are coming to you. So just keep focused on, your desires, loving and being love-based but anyways, and the other card that popped out for us is brilliant idea. So there's an idea coming to you, and he's letting you know that, yeah, it's coming to you. It's a divinely guided idea. When this card shows up, you get one of those aha. Oh, I could do this. Okay. And he's urging you to take action. So again, the angels always kind of tune us into when it's a good time to pause and wait. There's definitely cards that indicate that. But these are not them. This is like, nope, spread your wings, go for it, and follow through on that idea that you've gotten. So, and just quickly, let's touch base. Let's see, the fairies are always a good, quick card to pull for what's going on. It is so humid here where I am. It is like Frizz City. So no matter what, having one of those, no matter what you do to your hair, it's going to be frizzy. No matter what you spray it with, no matter what goop you put in it, it's just frizzy. So anyways, okay. Ooh, all right. So this card that spilled out from the fairies is spring. Now we've already kind of gone by spring, but it says your desires fully manifest as the flowers begin to bloom. Now the flowers, technically speaking, have, at least here, have already begun to bloom. So maybe where you are, it's a little behind and they haven't quite gotten there yet. But no, but to me, it speaks to transformation, that things are changing. It might be beyond your, in a positive way for you. You might not be able to see it yet fully, but things are coming into bloom. All right. In this picture, she's got the little butterfly that she's looking at. And butterflies always represent transformation into that, they come out of the chrysalis and they emerge as this beautiful butterfly, and she's sitting in the middle of a flower that's blooming. So things are blooming, okay, in a metaphorical sort of way. They are unfolding and getting ready to blossom. So have faith in that, okay? And although it alludes to a time of the spring, given that this card reading is for the next few days, you may find that yes, something is blossoming for you. Okay, something that you have been working on for a long time is finally like starting to blossom, and it's a really good feeling. Okay, and I know I got that going on right now, so I'm very happy about that. All right, let's pick one more card real quick, and then we'll wrap it up. I love when this card comes out. No worries. It says, surrender cares and worries to God and the angels and know that everything is truly in divine order. All right. So as we head into the weekend, I feel like this is about resting. This little fairy there with the cat sitting on her, she's just, having a nap. So given the cards from Ariel and Archangel Uriel about, move forward, jump on that opportunity. Sometimes when that happens, there's a flurry of activity that goes on, and we get really excited and because we're moving through our comfort zone and we're stepping forward into new areas, and that brings a lot of heightened, okay, I'm doing it kind of energy with it. So by the time we get to the weekend, you're done. It's time you've done what you needed to do, you've taken your steps, and it's just time to relax and not worry about it. Okay, take some time out, rest, enjoy yourself, and know that everything's in divine order. It's progressing as it needs to. Okay, and you're being taken care of. Oftentimes behind the scenes. Sometimes it's not always present right in front of us. So, and that's why it says, if there's still little tidbits of things that you're worried about, let it go, surrender it, and just leave it up to the higher wisdom. Okay, so that's our reading for the end of this week. I haven't got anything at the moment on in general what it's going on in the larger scheme of things. I still think there's change and transformation, even at because we know so much is going on in our country. We're in a time of tremendous change, and a lot of stuff is being brought to light, and this blossoming card, I feel like, may somewhat speak to that in the sense of new programs, new things are blossoming, new good programs. Okay, I know there's a lot of negativity in the media right now, and I feel like, again, they're urging you not to worry. Okay, because even at that level, even outside our personal level, at the governmental level, the divine is working, and there is divine order to how things are happening. But the more we continue to take care of ourselves, personally, spiritually, mentally, emotionally, which sometimes can mean, staying away from the media for a while, because the media feeds on a lot of, our desire to know what's going on, and, have discussions, very dramatic discussions about things. So sometimes it is time to take a pause and walk away from that too. So anyways, I hope you have a lovely rest of the week, and I look forward to speaking with you soon. And I may have to do these little mini type readings more often, because, well, my time is a little bit taken up right now, and as sometimes happens. But anyways, we'll see what evolves, because I'm going to go with the no worries. I'm not going to worry about it. Take care, everyone. Have a great rest of the week.